Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we'll compute the value of b raised to the power of n. We'll write a JavaScript function that multiplies the base repeatedly. This is a core concept in both mathematics and programming. Let's see how to create this power function step by step. We want to compute how many times we multiply the base. For example, 2 to the power of 3 means 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. We write a function that does this with a loop. The base and exponents will be dynamic, not hard-coded. The function starts with ends as 1 and multiplies by b n times. Each iteration compounds the previous result with the base. This mimics exponentiation through repeated multiplication. The final value is returned as the result of b to the power of n. We walk through a loop that multiplies the base over and over. Starting with 1 ensures we do not affect the calculation early. The result builds with each loop cycle until we reach n steps. It is the classic loop-based approach solving exponents. This table shows a few combinations of base and exponents. You'll notice how b to the power of 0 always equals 1, which is important to remember. You can use this function with any positive integers. Try plugging in your own values to get more practice. Exponentiation is used widely in real-world problems. In finance, it helps calculate compound interest. In computing, it is used in algorithms and binary powers. Understanding this logic is essential for deeper programming skills. To sum up, we've implemented a classic power function using loops. It multiplies the base as many times as the exponent says. This foundational concept is useful across many disciplines. Thanks for tuning in. Try it with your own values and share the results. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.